Hi friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and you're watching Moon 333 and welcome to the new update on Bitcoin. Today I want to discuss with you about the bull flags that the Bitcoin is forming on daily basis on 4-hour chart and about the rising wedge. This is the bearish pattern that has appeared on the daily basis chart, and also the Bitcoin is almost breaking out this 100 simple moving average on weekly chart, and the repetitive move that the Bitcoin is taking on the weekly chart, and also the significance of this gartley pattern, this big bullish gartley pattern on this monthly chart that the Bitcoin has formed, especially in these days when only 14 or 15 days are left in BTC halving. But before starting the video, I would request you that I'm doing hard work and research work for you guys. If you think that my hard and research work is providing some value to your Bitcoin trading and your cryptocurrency trading, then do share my videos and also do hit the like and comment on my videos as well. What do you think about my analysis? Definitely, I'll try my best to get back to your comments, and I'll reply to your comments as well. But I need some support from you guys to continue my work for you. Before starting the video, I would request you again that the information I'm providing here in this video is for educational purpose only. This is not intended to be investment advice, so please seek a duly licensed professional and do your own research as well for investment advice. Now let's come to the chart, and this is the 4-hour very small time period chart that I'm following since so many days, and in my videos I'm sharing this chart with you, and we can see that the Bitcoin is forming the bull flags on this 4-hour chart. This was the first bull flag that was formed from 29th of March up to 1st of April, and after that we have another bull flag, and here we had a down channel. Then the price action took a bullish divergence and formed another bull flag, and after that finally we are expecting the next bull flag. And here we can see that the candlesticks are accumulating almost between $7,500 to $7,700, and I'm expecting that this time it will go for the next bull flag from here, and this is the bull flag. So at this time, this is not confirmed that this is a bull flag, but we can expect that this is a bull flag. And if we see on the daily chart, then a rising wedge pattern is appeared on the daily chart. We have so many touches, 1, 2, 3, 4, or 5 touches at the resistance of this wedge, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and almost 8 touches at the support of this rising wedge. Most of the times, the rising wedge pattern is considered as bearish or bearish reversal pattern among the traders community, and in most of the cases the price line break down the support of the rising wedge and move to the downside. But at this time I'm expecting that it will not break down the support, even it will go for the breakout. And why am I expecting that? Let me just show you. I'm just placing some simple moving averages. This is the 100 simple moving average, this red one, and this black one is the 200 simple moving average. This blue one is the 25 simple moving average, and this green one is the 50 simple moving average. And we can see that so far the price line has crossed up the 50 simple moving average and the 25 simple moving average as well, and the 25 moving average has formed a golden cross with the 50 simple moving average, and now we have the support of the 50 simple moving average and the 25 simple moving average as well. And now we have the resistance of this rising wedge, and the 100 and 200 simple moving averages on this daily chart. If we see, then we can see that the 100 and 200 simple moving averages are moving sideways. For example, if the 100 simple moving average will cross down this 200 simple moving average, like it is crossing down at this time, then that will be not a death cross, because both moving averages are moving sideways. If it would be coming from some distance from here, then that would be some disastrous situation, and the price line after this death cross between this 100 and 200 simple moving averages, the price line would break down the support of this rising wedge and move down. But now we can see that both moving averages are moving sideways. And now I'm placing a trend line. Then we can easily understand that this down trend line had formed a level, a price rejection level. We can see that whenever the price line was hitting at this trend line, the price line was being rejected. For example, here we have seen when the price line moved up here, the price action rejected from here, and here when the price line moved up again from here, it was again rejected. And now at this time, after one rejection, here we can see that the price line has shown some resistance, and it is moved up, and now we are above this trend line. Now this down trend line is also working as a support. We have the support of the down trend line, we have the support of 25 simple moving average, we have the support of 50 simple moving averages, and we can see also that the both moving averages has formed the golden cross. And if I'll place the moving average convergence divergence indicator, the MACD, then we can see that after hitting on this candlestick, the price action has hit at the resistance of this rising wedge pattern. And we can see that on the same candlestick at the same time, the MACD is turned very strong bullish. It is giving indication that the price line is turning more bullish. And at this time, we can see that also the MACD is giving us very strong bullish signals. Therefore, there are more chances this time that the price line will break out rather to break down this support. And if we switch to the smaller time period chart, for example, this is a daily chart, I'm switching back to the 12-hour chart, the half of this chart, then we can see that the 100 and the 50 and the 25 simple moving averages has formed the alligator mouth, and we have only the resistance of 200 simple moving average. Therefore, these moving averages on this small time period chart are showing the tendency where they are going. So we can also expect that on the daily chart, soon the 100 simple moving average also will cross down and will form a golden cross with these simple moving averages, and soon we will have a complete alligator mouth formation between these simple moving averages of 200, 100, 25, and 50 simple moving average. For the formation of perfect alligator mouth, we need the open alligator mouth. We need that 200 simple moving average below all the moving averages, then the 100 simple moving average above the 200 simple moving average, then the 50 simple moving average, and then the 25 simple moving average should be above all the simple moving averages. Like if I'll take you back here, then we can see some examples. Like here, we can see this is a perfect opened alligator mouth. We can see here in the month of May 2019 when the 200 simple moving average was below all the simple moving averages. Then we had the 100 simple moving average, then 50, and then 25. And then after that, we can see that the price line turned very, very bullish. And now I'm just also placing the volume profile to see the trader's interest between this the rising wedge pattern, that up to what level the traders are interested to trade. This is really very important indicator to see the trader's interest, and I'm placing this volume profile on the complete price action of this pattern. Then we can see that the trader's interest is very low below this level, and this is also $5,700. And after that, we can see that at this level the traders are weak. Their interest in trading at this level is really very weak. Therefore, if the price line will break down this support of this rising wedge, then in other case, we can see that the price line can move up to this level of $5,700, and if it will be moved down more than this level, then here we can see that the traders are not interested to trade. Therefore, the price line will move up again and it can again enter in this rising wedge pattern, and or it can also form another pattern. And at this level, the $5,700, we have also the 200 simple moving average support. That is really very strong support. We can see that it is almost at $5,700 at this time, where we have a very weak interest of the traders on the daily chart according to the volume profile of this rising wedge. In that scenario, if the price line will break down this support, then we can see that we can expect that the price line will be moved up again from that level, because we have a very weak interest of the traders, and we have a very strong support of this 200 simple moving average on this weekly chart. That is really very strong support. I've been showing this support in my so many previous videos with you. I've shared with you. And let me to show you again, since this support is appeared in the history of the Bitcoin, we can see it was appeared here in June 2015 at this level, at this point, and we can see that since it is appeared in the history of the Bitcoin, the price line never broke down, never ever broke down the support once. We have seen that in the month of December 2018, when the price line has hit at this support, it took a powerful bullish divergence, more than 300%, and now this is the second hit at this support of 200 simple moving average, and we can expect another very powerful bullish divergence from here. And we can see the bounce at this time. The bounce is really very clear. And the most important thing in this chart that I want to share with you is that on this weekly chart, in my previous video, we have seen that the price line was struggling to break out this 100 simple moving average on this weekly chart. And at this time, we can see that the price line has almost broken out this 100 simple moving average. But I will not consider this breakout perfect unless the complete candlestick will be closed and opened above this level of 100 simple moving average. At this time, we can see that the tail of the candlestick is touching at the 100 simple moving average. However, I think the breakout is completed at this time. The next candlestick will will give us the more confirmation. After that, we will have the 25 simple moving average and the 50 simple moving averages resistance levels, and that will be not difficult for the price line after this breakout that we almost have. This breakout at this time, it will be not difficult for the price line to break out these two resistance levels, because these moving averages are bigger than the moving averages above this price action. This is the 25, this is the 50 simple moving average, but these are the 100 and the 200 simple moving average supports. Therefore, the pressure of the support is more than the pressure of these two resistance levels. Therefore, we can expect that the price line will soon break out this 225 and then 50 simple moving averages. And after breaking out these levels, it will also try to break out this price resistance level of $12,325. That will be not difficult for the price line in case of breaking out these two resistance levels. It will be not difficult for the price line to hit this level very soon. And I want to discuss with you this repetitive move of the Bitcoin that I've been sharing with you guys in my previous videos, that when the price line was moving, but the price line formed a down trend line from Feb 2018 up to December 2018, and when the price line moved down or below the level where the traders' interest was very low, the level was almost $6,000, and we can see the price line took a powerful bullish divergence. And same as like that move, the previous move, when the price line again moved down below the level where the volume profile was showing the traders' interest was very low, then the price line is taking another bullish divergence and moving towards the POC, the point of control level of this volume profile. And I want to show you again this a very big bullish gartley pattern that has formed when we have only 14 or 15 days left in the BTC halving, and it is showing that soon the Bitcoin will take a powerful bullish divergence from this potential reversal zone. Even at this time, the Bitcoin is moving up. We can see at this time the price line is $7,716, and the PRZ, or the potential reversal zone of this bullish gartley pattern, was starting from $7,231 to $5,424. Therefore, I'm expecting that soon the price line will also try to make another attempt to break this resistance level of $12,325. $25, and I'm also waiting for the last and final signal, the bullish signal of this momentum. As I have discussed with you guys in my previous videos, I'm using the combination of these indicators. For example, I was waiting for the volume indicator to give the indication that the price line has reached the bottom, and here at this level we have when it was turned gray, we received the first signal. After that, we received the golden cross, or the bull cross, from the stochastic indicator, and now finally I'm waiting for this momentum indicator to give at least the weak bearish signals, like it was turned here, to give us the strong indication that the Bitcoin will definitely it is turning really very powerful bullish. So this was the update from the Bitcoin price action. If you like the video, then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel, and I'll definitely share more updates with you if I'll receive more updates on the Bitcoin price action. Take care. Goodbye.